is this a beneficial bug? Right? This is not a beneficial bug.
Looks real mean,
Yeah,
doesn't
it does. Looks menacing, doesn't it? It's actually a leaf-footed nymph, which will be a leaf-footed bug at some point.
Yeah.
All right. And the reason why it's called leaf-footed is because on the back of its legs, it would have an attachment that looks like a leaf.
Oh, wow.
Which is why it's called leaf-footed bug. They are plant feeders. They love fruits, vegetables, nuts, agronomic crops.
Yes.
They have piercing, sucking mouth parts.
Yeah, that's why sometimes you'll get on tomatoes or even green beans, cucumbers, there's little spots on them.
Exactly. And same thing with your nuts, like your pecans and things like that. So they are a problem. So they are not a beneficial. And what you would need to do is get rid of those weeds. Of course, they like to hide out in the weeds. Practice good sanitation.
Yes.
Okay? Because they're going to try to overwinter in crop debris. So leaf-footed nymph is what that is. It does look menacing. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.